Hello, friends. Welcome to episode 2 of Stock Market Technical Analysis. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today, we are going to be talking about the difference between investment and trading. If you have missed out my first episode on basics of stock market, I'm putting the link here and also in the description box. Make sure you watch that as well. Also, do subscribe to Mostly Bearish and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from my side. So, let's get started with the video. Now, when you invest in a company, you're looking at the outlook of the company over a longer period of time. Your decision is going to be based on the proven worth of the company till now, whereas in trading, all your decisions are based on price movement and market reactions. You're going to be considering the long term potential and profitability of a company. What is the outlook the company has over a period of time? Whereas in trading, it's just day to day market movement, the price fluctuation, and how to take positions in a trade. In investment, you're going to consistently keep analyzing using fundamental analysis, where you check the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow statements, along with the management view and how the company is following the view of the management itself. While trading, you look at the price action, charts, indicators, and oscillators. Sometimes, yes, news also helps in trading. The time period required for investments is considerably longer because you have a view of a company where the company keeps growing over a period of time. Whereas in trading, the time period can vary from short term to long term. It depends on what time frame the trade has been placed. In investing, your maximum profit happens when you buy and hold the company and as the company grows, along with its fundamentals and the products and service that they provide. Whereas in trading, the maximum profit happens over a period of time where you consider risk management, taking risk to reward ratio seriously, and placing trades without emotions. The taxation on investment over 365 days comes under long term capital gain. Whereas in trading, if the trade is made within 365 days, it comes under short term capital gains. Few of the successful people in investment are Warren Buffett, Benjamin Graham, and Peter Lynch. Whereas few of the well known traders are George Soros, Jesse Livermore, and Paul Jones. I hope today's video is clear and you know the difference between what investment is and what trading is. Make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish so that you don't miss any of the content from my side. Also, make sure to comment and like the video. Thank you so much for watching.